Hi, welcome to Kings, and today we're doing our margarita. So you start off by putting a little bit of lime around the edge of the glass, and then we're going to dip it in what, Seamus?
Salt.
Salt. So the edge of the glass is very gently dipped on the outside in salt, like so. There you go. Wonderful. Shake it off, pop that on the edge there so it's just that subtle flavour. Then you add your Cointreau and your tequila. It's a double shot of tequila into your Boston shaker, like so. Then you add 2 double shots of your sour mix. Okay, so you get that incredibly sharp, amazing flavour. Then pop that in the Boston shaker. Do you ever get anyone asking for sugar syrup with it?
Some people do. It's more personal preference. If you prefer it sweet, we can make it sweeter for you.
Okay, so it is an option if someone wants it sweet, you can put sugar syrup in.
Yes.
Pour that in the glass like so. And then top it with our wonderful crushed ice. And you get this amazing chilled drink. Ice cold. Great on any summer's day.
If it is a bit too cold for you, you can also ask for it without the crushed ice. So that is personal preference as well.
Wonderful, and there you have our margarita without any sugar syrup. So just always remember how the customer wants it. Thank you.